Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix screen goes black during call in iPhone problem. So the first fix is check and clean screen protector. Remove the screen protector, clean the screen and protector with a clean microfiber cloth and then reattach the screen protector. Now the second fix is clean the proximity sensor, clean it. The third fix is enable true tone. For this, swipe down from the top right corner, access control center. Now what you have to do, long press on the brightness icon. Now you'll get three options: dark mode, night shift or true tone. So enable true tone, just toggle it on. That's it. The fourth option is to reduce motion. For this, go to settings, tap on general. After reaching settings, do not tap on general, tap on accessibility. Tap on motion, enable reduce motion, enable it. After enabling it, go back to settings again. This time go to general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and then reset all settings. Enter your passcode, enter your passcode again, tap on reset all settings and reset it. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next